GD Harries & Sons is a family-based independent quarries and haulage operator that's trebled in size by making the most of its opportunities. Its founder, the late Gerald Harries, together with his wife Valerie, established a haulage business in 1977 in Narberth, Pembrokeshire, with just one lorry. Today, led by their son Ian, the firm has a specialist fleet of road haulage vehicles and a large fleet of delivery vehicles. Supported by a business manager who was once his father's banking advisor, Ian has turned the business into a large-scale operation.
My father worked hard, he didn't turn any work down, he didn't expect anybody to do what he couldn't do himself, and I'm very much the same. If it's night or day, we're there to please the customers.
I think when I left the bank, there's very few businesses I would have gone to work for. I always had a belief in Gerald and then subsequently Ian, because their business ethics is second to none. It's a can-do attitude with customers at the heart of everything we do.
GD Harries' business broadly divides into products and services. It provides stone, concrete and tarmac for construction and highways maintenance from the 6 quarries it operates, as well as polished and decorative aggregates for domestic customers, all meeting ISO 9001-2008 requirements. Its haulage service operates vehicles ranging from 3.5 to 60 tonnes. They're maintained by an on-site VOSA standard workshop that also MOTs and carries out LGV repairs for third-party vehicles. Its low loader service assists with plant movement.
Every part of our business is linked. If one thing is a little bit quieter in part of our business, the other thing is quite busy.
Within its civil engineering and plant hire services, GD Harries provides excavators and dump trucks for highways, land reclamation and sewage schemes, for example, as well as earth moving and coastal protection projects. The firm has staff skilled in road servicing and paving, and operators trained for utilities works. It prides itself on having the capacity to undertake high-value contract work across a wide range of sectors.
Our major clients are local authorities, but we have various both industrial, commercial and private clients. On a major civil engineering scheme, we can probably supply 90% of the value of our project in-house, if not more. So that gives us an edge over our competitors. The initial stages of estimating, we know what the costs are, and doing construction, and we have much more control over it.
Central to GD Harries' growth have been key acquisitions and retaining control locally. In 1999, frustrated at waiting for nationally run quarries to deliver, it purchased Blenkilgoed Quarry, meeting much of the region's demand for quality aggregates and improving stability of supply to its own customers. In 2011, it acquired a struggling competitor, fending off national competition and swiftly adding another 5 quarries to its ownership, while increasing its staff to 240.
If you don't take a risk, you'll never get anywhere.
Our USP is our ability to react in the marketplace. You've got to continually invest, not only in assets, but in yourselves, and you've got to be prepared to have the depth to grow to whatever the business dictates.
We get on with the customers, we got the personal touch with them. We're not a national, if someone wants a decision, they ring us up, they have a decision straight away.
90% of the business dealt with by GD Harries' dedicated staff comes from repeat customers. For example, a leading West Wales visitor attraction that's been a regular client since it opened 25 years ago.
They put the customer first, which is fantastic for us. And I suppose because we work together for such a long time, they kind of second guess what our requirements are, and they're always ready to step up to the plate and deliver. This summer we needed quite a large amount of tarmacking done with very, very short notice. We were talking a couple of hours here. The guys just turned up and they did it, worked through the night and got it done.
GD Harries & Sons still retains its family feel. One of Ian's daughters now works in the business, and Ian keeps closely involved.
If I can jump on a GCB on a Sunday morning and just go down and dig out a site, that is more pleasurable than going out for a Saturday night. We'd all muck in. Even my daughter, she passed her test at 18 and she was working with me at nights So we all get stuck in here.
In terms of where the future lies, if there's an opportunity there, then Ian's prepared to give it a go and sky's the limit.
Mother and father set the business up and worked very hard for it. They would be very surprised at the scale of it, yes, but hopefully very pleased as well.